His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Ahoy, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the chorus. You can impress yourself.
Little Deuce Coupe. We're gonna learn how to play that on the ukulele. You're gonna need a capo on the 1st fret. The chords are super easy for this song, so we're gonna go over all those, and then I'll play different parts of the song just so you can see where the chords basically fit. And then we'll talk about a strumming pattern you could use at the end. So, the chords for the entire song except for one verse. So the chords for all the verses except for one of them are gonna be exactly the same. It's gonna be a G to a C, back to a G, that's it. G, C, G, G, C, G. Then for the chorus, she's my little Deuce Coupe, you don't know what I've got. It's a D to a C to a G. So all the choruses are the same, D, C, G. And then for the one verse that's different, it's the she's got a competition clutch with a 4 on the floor. The one that says and one more thing, I got the pink slip. That one, it's a G, sorry, that one's gonna start with a C, then a G, then a C, and then an A, and then a D. So I'm going to play the different parts of the song for you. I will play the first verse and the chorus, and then I will play the one verse with the different chords just so you can see where everything goes, and then we'll go over a strumming pattern you could use. First verse is, well, I'm not bragging, babe, so don't put me down, but I've got the fastest set of wheels in town. When someone comes up to me, don't even try, 'cause if it had a set of wings, man, I know she could fly. She's my little Deuce Coupe. You don't know what I've got, Deuce Coupe. You don't know what I've got. And then all the rest of the verses are the same except for this one. We're gonna go over this. So it's the right out of the chorus. She's my little Deuce Coupe. You don't know what I've got, Deuce Coupe. You don't know what I've got. She's got a competition clutch with the 4 on the floor, and she purrs like a kitten till the lake pipes roar. And if it ain't enough to make you flip your lid, there's one more thing, I got the pink slip, daddy, coming off the line. And then you go back to all the original chords, the G and the C and the G, back to the little Deuce Coupe, D, C, G. So that's where all the chords are placed in the song. Now let's go over a strumming pattern you could use. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Those are all the chords, and that's the strumming pattern that you could use, and I'll see you guys in another one. So if you're looking to master chords and strumming and be able to have more fun playing the ukulele, check out my course. Give the gift of learning how to play the ukulele to somebody that you know and love this year.